Jake, this feels like your work. Oh no! Nothing permanently damaged. I might go down here then and protect you this way, so they don't creep up on you close.
Yeah, I'm just gonna hang out right up here.
Yeah, let's cross
shoot them when they go get the flag.
Let's crossfire right here. I'll watch like kind of that way so they don't get close.
Right.
To your right.
Today's AO is Wildlands Airsoft Park in Lake Elsinore, California. I'm a fan of this field since it has a solid amount of airsoft only maps and a very healthy community of experienced players.
Go.
I'm using my custom HPA Avalon from Amped Airsoft, which must be chronoed down to 50 FPS below the AEG limit of 400, so down to 350. It should be an interesting challenge since Wildlands is a semi-auto only field to begin with.
Look at this fucking guy.
Regardless of the rules though, you know we're still going to shred, so let's get it.
Sheesh, Mike. Alright, go on. Savon. Right here? You see him high?
Try pre-firing popular corners. I surprise myself with some cheeky kills doing this sometimes.
Mike, high house, single window.
It may seem kind of corny, but practicing your reloads is crucial to improving your performance. Best of all, you can do it at home. But I take no responsibility for the judgment you will garner from your wives, girlfriends, roommates, and family.
Hey, I need help over here. Hey!
Flag. The fucking paint stick.
Hey, Juice, I'm going for a flag. Cover me.
All right, 3 down on the right. Push up now. What's the status on the flag? Over. What is the status of the flag? Over.
Flag is back to normal spawn point.
I'm pushed up by this spawn. Help me out on the right. Nice.
Oh, good, we got it.
Is that game? It's 3, right?
Yeah.
You get it, Daniel?
Got it.
We win.
Is that game?
Yep.
Sick, dude.
That was easy.
Watch the water.
Oh, you got my same boots, motherfucker.
Bro, these are the all-terrains?
Yeah, I've had mine since like Lion Claws last year.
Yeah.
But I only wear them when there's really heavy terrain. Like I should have worn them today because this fucking shit's all wet.
I could literally just walk right through that and be totally dry. Dude, nice runs though. I saw you running the flag.
This next map is one of my favorites. Let's see how my Milsim focus squad fares against speed softers in close quarters.
Ryan, look hard left, hard left. Ryan, stay low. I'm on your high. Woo! Nice, dude.
I'm just gonna chuck it on the other side.
That's a good idea. I'll throw them too. Oh my god, can we throw all three of them off the bat? Daniel, let's go.
Nice trade, by the way.
Yeah. Got each other. That was good.
Yeah. Do grenades.
Cruise.
Look out for a new type of plexops video coming soon where I'll be reviewing and comparing popular grenades. In May, my new content creation studio will be ready to crank out informative pieces on gear, tactics, and more.
Oh! Hit!
This is the longest range map at Wildlands. Positioning and movement will be key to success here since my HPA weapon is shooting so much softer than the AEG and gas blowbacks on the field. Right here I use a lull in the fighting to grab my next magazine even though I don't need to reload yet. This way I can reload much faster in a pinch.
I'm coming back with the steps.
Your turn.
Alright, moving.
Crossing you, Ryan, crossing you.
So this guy takes 3 or 4 of my shots, keeps running, and sticks his muzzle on my teammate's head for the surrender. The fact that he called himself out afterwards shows he knows he's been hit. Pretty cheesy, but not uncommon to see, unfortunately. I often feel certain types of players consider themselves invincible when running, so let me know if this has happened to you in the comments below. Had some technical difficulties with my cameras on this next map, but at least here's a short clip of us clearing the enemy's final stand.
Brown building, Jake, right in front of you.
right, Group A, events players, 10 minutes till next game.
That was fun. It's good. It's nice playing against good players. It's like more fun of a fight.
And
Like they don't give you a huge target. It's more of a challenge. It's more fun. Pounding.
Another thing I like about Wildlands is how they separate player groups into tiers of experience. We played in the advanced group, consisting of players with at least 10 years of Airsoft experience, as well as current and former military.
Keep going.
Definitely a cool challenge.
I'm waiting for someone to turn the corner and then I'm gonna go. Mike, when you get back, we can do something dumb. Shield on the left.
Shield on the left.
Ryan, can you go fuck that shield up if I blast him for a little bit? Blasting him. Nice. Where's the secondary shooter? Hey, check this out. You look like a sad little Asian terrorist boy. He's so ninja. The least dangerous ninja in all of Japan history.
For all you out there who enjoy seeing my Milsim content, no worries, there's a ton of rad events coming up. 2019 is going to be all about Milsim events, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to keep up to date. For those of you who have not had the chance yet to scope them out, I have videos from several Milsim West events and more, Line Claws, you name it, so I'll leave some links to my favorites right here for you to check out. Love you all, go airsofting, and I'll see you next time. This is Plex, and I'm RTB.
Alright,
Get
you
to
got
those rocks, fuck them up when they get across. Thanks, bud.
fucking move your ass right now!